If you're serious about building your own CB and ham radio linear amplifiers, you're in the right place. The Master Bundle is our most comprehensive collection of build guides and resources. It includes every tribute volume and encyclopedia we've ever created, all in one convenient package. You'll get instant access to every build guide we've ever made, from beginner-friendly projects to advanced amplifiers, plus detailed schematics and diagrams. With the Master Bundle, you'll save time and money by having all the information you need in one place. You'll be able to build with confidence, knowing you have the best resources available, and you'll be able to troubleshoot and repair your amplifiers with ease. The Master Bundle is available for just $34.99. It's a one-time payment with no subscriptions or recurring fees, and you'll get instant access to all the content. The Master Bundle is the ultimate resource for anyone serious about building their own CB and ham radio linear amplifiers. It's a valuable investment that will pay for itself many times over. So why wait? Get started today. Get the Master Bundle now at Hood's Finds on Gumroad.